Hi everyone, Tasha here for Kat Scrappiness, and today I'm introducing the new Pawsome Cats stamp set and coordinating die set. These stamps are so cute and are perfect for year-round projects. This stamp set includes 4 cat images and several accessory stamps, so you can mix and match and create tons of different projects. And I just love how each one of these cats look different. They're so cute. And again, there's a coordinating die set that will cut out all of the images perfectly. To begin, we're going to stamp all of these images together. The first one is a little cat that's lying on its back. This one is just so cute. I love the little face. And then we have a little cat that's sleeping. And this cat's perfect again because cats are always sleeping. But I like how it has those stripes on this cat so you can do different color combinations. And this one you could do so much with. Then we have a kitty cat that's looking up in the air. This one again would be perfect for if you had a cat looking at the stars or looking at a greeting or something. It's so adorable. And then we have my favorite one, the cat with glasses. I love animals with glasses, and these ones are so cute. They're oversized and just adorable. For the little accessories, we have a little cat food bowl that has a paw print in the center. I like that it's open too, so you can color the bowl to customize it. Then we have a ball of yarn, which is perfect for the kitty cats. And I also like that it's open so you can mix and match colors. Then we have a little kitty paw print. And this one again is great because it's open, so you don't have to stamp a solid color. You can color it any color you want to go with your project. Then we have a little tiny mouse, which is perfect again for a cat. So you can have it to be a little friend for the little kitty cat card or project. And then lastly, we have a little fish. And this fish is one of the ones that it's like a fish bone stamp, and I think it's just cute. This would be great if you were making like a background. You could have a whole bunch of these in different colors, which would be fun. And then we have a little milk carton because kitty cats just love milk. And this one is cute too because it's a nice size. So again, you have tons of open area to color it in. And here is all of our little images all stamped up. Now let's just go over everything when it was cut out. So we have the little ball of yarn and it cuts out perfectly, even that little yarn tail. Then we have the cute little fish bone or boned fish. Next we have the little paw print. And again, I love that you can color it so it's nice and open. Then we have my favorite little kitty cat with glasses. Next we have our sleeping kitty cat. Then we have the cat that's looking up to the sky. We have the cat that's lying on its back. We have the milk carton. The little cat food dish. And then the little mouse. So you get so many fun pieces in here that you can customize and color. Let me show you some card examples. This first one, I used the kitty cat with glasses. The next one, I used the cat looking up at all the different little fish bones. And then I added the little mouse friend, which again, I just love that little mouse. And this sentiment is actually from the Pawsome Cat Sentiment stamp set, which is also in this release. And then I have the little sleeping kitty who is tired from playing with his little ball of yarn. And my last example has, again, the kitty cat with glasses. And then I have a little greeting again from that new stamp set. So I hope you enjoyed a little peek at the new Pawsome Cats stamp set and coordinating die set. I'll have the information listed in the description box below. This set is great. It's so much fun to play with these little kitties and think of little scenes. And again, this is a set that can be used all year round. So I hope you guys are having a great day and are enjoying the new Kat Scrappiness release. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.